Hey pack leaders, this is Him. Friends and I are protecting families by protecting the pack. I want to give you guys an update on the Bybit leverage trapper bot and kind of show you what's been going on. I haven't been making a video past a couple weeks, I guess, because just been cleaning up bugs and tweaking and optimizing and just kind of changing things up from what I've observed. But as far as all the components are all in there, it's working and just kind of tweaking and optimizing for now. But I want to show you what the latest developments are. Okay, so we had an issue earlier with like whether it was trailing too fast or too slow, so we're kind of optimizing that point. But you can kind of see now that we're kind of trapping it right here with the market order, and then once it's in, it's gonna start taking profit, and then it's gonna trap it again. Okay, but the problem with multiple traps is that as soon as you trap, the idea is so that not sell majority of it, so that when it does get trapped, we kind of dollar cost average and the profit line is still behind it so that it can continue downwards. There is a times where it does hit that first trap, but then it bounces up and it's out of the trap or out of profit, right? So that's kind of a thing I've seen. So in the future, we're gonna probably do it where we have a bigger entry in the beginning, and we don't do any rebuys unless there's a replenishment, which means that every hour or every 6 hours, where the time is based on this 24-hour change, that we're going to recreate the sets of rungs. So what we're going to do next time is go in with the bigger positions, and all we're going to do is just take profit, take profit, take profit, and then we'll have a trailing thing on top that follows that on this side, so that if it does reverse, we'll take profit in the other direction, okay, and reverse it. So that's kind of the developments, but I'll kind of show you the kind of like the actual results for now. You can see that it's just taking profit. The last, what's it, from the last few hours here, 4 hours ago till midnight last night. Kind of keep going here. So with this new one, is it looks like it's doing a lot better on this test account here. So I'm not using big balances just because I'm on a test here. And then let's check out ETH. It's kind of the same thing. Right now it is kind of out of the trap, but it's waiting for it to kind of get back in to the trap. Okay. But you look at the assets again too. There it is. Okay. I know that I have pretty big losses here. That's from the previous tweaking and kind of like, why is it not doing what's it doing right or wrong? So for the last couple of days, for at least yesterday after trying this new profit trap, it's starting to take more profit here. Losses are also minimal. Before it was taking bigger ones, just like, hey, what's going on? Before I tried this new rung method, it was just like, hey, it's flip-flopping back and forth, But now, since last night, since we tried this one, it's starting to have more consistent gains now on it. Okay, so that's just because of the work I've been doing. I use my real money to test, and sometimes I have bigger losses than I need to. But I don't add more to it. If that's the thing. Same thing with BTC. So look at that too. Right now it kind of bounced right out of the trap, so that's something I want to tweak too. But it's gonna wait for it to get back in. Okay, but as far as close P&L, mostly green, bigger numbers in the reds. There's a couple of smaller losses, but there is just a couple, two. This one here is a bigger Satoshi than these micro Satoshis. So there's 3 losses in a row, but they're micro ones. Okay, so that's what matters, is what's at the end of the day, right? Alright, let's see here. So yeah, I've taken some pretty big losses, but these were all gains from that big old pump, and I just kind of left it in there just so I could keep testing and tweaking. So it's definitely gotten a lot better now as far as it goes. So I test my money, real positions, and then once it's going good, then we'll add some more money to it and go from there. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. You want to get access to the grandfather price? It's in the link below. It's gonna have a little membership area that you'll be able to get training and on how to get this set up pretty quickly. All right. Thanks for watching. And you have any recommendations, suggestions? Comment below, and I'm going to continue trying this other new 2 other trap methods so that we'll stay in profit longer, and I'll post updates up on that once I get that up and running. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you then.